Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the healthiest ways to use avocado in your diet. Avocado is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your overall health. So let's dive right in and explore some creative and tasty ideas to incorporate this superfood into your daily meal. Avocado toast is all the rage these days, and for good reason. It's simple, quick, and incredibly nutritious. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread to perfection. Next, take a ripe avocado, cut it in half, and remove the pit. Use a spoon to scoop out the creamy green flesh and spread it evenly on the toast. You can top it off with a sprinkle of sea salt, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and some red pepper flakes for an extra kick. This avocado toast will definitely make your taste buds dance with joy. Now, let's explore some other exciting ways to enjoy avocados. One option is adding them to your salads. Avocados provide a creamy texture and a rich flavor that pairs well with crisp vegetables and leafy greens. Simply slice the avocado into cubes or wedges and toss them into your favorite salad. You can also make a zesty avocado dressing by blending avocado, lime juice, garlic, and a touch of olive oil. Drizzle it over your salad for a burst of freshness. Another fantastic way to incorporate avocados into your diet is by making a delicious guacamole dip. Guacamole is a classic Mexican dish that's loved worldwide. Mash a ripe avocado with a fork and add finely chopped tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. Mix everything together until you reach your desired consistency. Serve it with tortilla chips, fresh veggies, or use it as a flavorful spread on sandwiches. It's a crowd pleaser for sure. Avocado isn't just for savory dishes. It can also be a star ingredient in desserts. One surprising yet delightful way to use avocados is by making avocado chocolate mousse. Blend ripe avocados cocoa powder, a sweetener of your choice, and a splash of vanilla extract until smooth and creamy. Chill it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and you'll have a luscious, guilt-free dessert that's packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. As you can see, avocados are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. From avocado toast to salads, guacamole, and even desserts, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So why not start incorporating avocados into your diet and reap their amazing health benefits? Remember, moderation is key, as avocados are calorie-dense. But with their abundance of nutrients and mouthwatering flavors, they're definitely worth including in your daily meals. That's it for today's video. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and healthy lifestyle tips. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting